Tired of asking for cash or waiting for a check to clear? Ever wish you could just instantly send money to a friend for your share of dinner or pay back a family member in minutes? Well, if you're a U.S. bank customer, you can. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use Zelle within the U.S. bank app to send, receive, and request money quickly and securely. Zelle is a fast, free, and easy way to send and receive money with friends, family, and people you trust. It's built right into the U.S. Bank mobile app, so you don't need to download another app to get started. All you need is the recipient's U.S. mobile phone number or email address, and they need to be enrolled with Zelle. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. First, you'll need to be enrolled in online banking and have the U.S. Bank mobile app. Once you're logged in, tap on Send Money with Zelle. If this is your first time, you'll be prompted to enroll. Simply choose the U.S. mobile number or email address you want to use, and select the U.S. bank account you want to link. After a quick verification, you're all set. Now, to send money, it's super simple. From the Zelle menu, select Send. You can choose a recipient from your contacts who is already enrolled with Zelle, or add a new one by entering their U.S. mobile number or email address. Enter the amount you want to send, add an optional note, review the details, and hit Send. That's it. The money is typically available in their account in minutes. What about receiving money? If someone sends money to the email or phone number you enrolled with Zelle, you don't have to do anything. The money will go directly into your U.S. bank account. If they send it to a number or email you haven't enrolled yet, you'll get a notification with instructions on how to enroll and claim your payment. And finally, if you need to request money, the process is just as easy. In the Zelle menu, select Request. Choose the person you want to request money from, enter the amount, and send the request. You can even split a bill with multiple people. It's important to remember that Zelle payments are like cash. Once you send it, you can't cancel the payment if the recipient is already enrolled. So always double-check you have the correct information before sending money, and only send to people you know and trust. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.